Welcome back to Creators Compass, and in today's episode, I'll be breaking down Deadflow. So, question is, where does this come from, right? So basically, what I do on a daily basis is I'm a liquidity engineer and Deadflow architect. Today, I'm going to be deconstructing Deadflow, the art of systemic velocity. So let's break it down. What exactly is Deadflow? It's more than just inefficiency. So it's basically, the silent erosion of value. So it can also be, that capital that's tied up in outdated, processes, the information silos that prevent, innovation, the talent misaligned with strategic objectives, or it can be, the friction that grinds progress, to a halt. But it's also the hidden costs that bleed your bottom line and the lost opportunities that you never knew existed. Imagine a factory floor where machines are running, but bottlenecks prevent products from ever reaching the market at scale. Or a massive corporation with brilliant ideas but no clear pathway for them to move from conception to impactful execution. Or even an investment fund with incredible assets, yet a cumbersome strategy prevents optimal portfolio rebalancing in a dynamic market. This, my friend, it's Deadflow. It's everywhere, and most companies don't even know they're drowning in it. My approach as a liquidity engineer begins with a deep, almost forensic analysis of these complex systems, whereby it's about looking beyond, the symptoms to find the root that causes stagnation, basically. So it's about designing a stagnant, interconnected, solutions that don't just, fix or patch a problem, but fundamentally reconstruct the flow itself. We are talking about precision engineering for profitable opportunities, for speed, and for scalable growth. And this, my friends, this isn't just theory. It's a practice built on meticulous observation, predictive modeling, and the strategic implementation of custom-built systems. Whether it's optimizing supply chains for global reach, accelerating the deployment of new technologies, or creating fluid communication channels within vast enterprises, which is the GOAT, which is always the same, but in the aims of maximizing liquidity in every form. So this ensures that every resource, every idea, every individual contributes to a relentless forward momentum. And this applies to any business, any industry, because the underlying principles of flow and friction are universal. What makes a tech giant sluggish can also hinder a manufacturing leader. So what I'm doing right now is I'm basically documenting this journey because I believe the world's ambitious companies deserve more than just incremental improvements. They deserve a systemic, velocity that propels them far beyond their competition. They deserve an architect who can see the hidden pathways to impedant growth. For those global leaders, those visionary CEOs, those forward-thinking innovators listening right now, if your enterprise feels the drag of unseen friction, if you know there's untapped potential buried beneath layers of Deadflow, then this conversation is for you. I'm actively seeking partnerships with organizations ready to embrace a complete paradigm shift to engineer their future with precision and purpose. This is the Creator's Compass. This is the art of systemic velocity. And this documentary is just the beginning to uncover how we'll change the world of business together.